Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to draw a penguin. On the blank page of your book, you will see in the center there is a plus sign. We are going to use these two lines as guiding lines to draw a penguin. So let's start. We are going to draw a letter U, but the letter U is going to be reversed, upside down. We'll draw a straight line. See, this is the horizontal line. We'll take it down. The next step is, then we'll draw a curved line. This is more like the letter S. Now another curved line which becomes the belly of the penguin. Then we'll draw the flippers or the hands. That will be letter U, just like the shape of a letter U. Now we'll draw the eyes, which is slightly touching this vertical line. And the beak. Now we'll draw the feet of the penguin. For that, first we'll draw a standing line or a small vertical line. Then a horizontal line, but which is not very straight. It is slightly curving. And from this line, you will draw the foot or the webbed feet. Then the second, the feet of the penguin helps him to walk on the cold ice. Our penguin is ready. The penguin is found near the ice. So let's draw a circle. Our penguin is standing on a ice block. On a block of ice. The block of ice is floating on the water. The snow is melting, that's why this block of ice is floating on the water. The snow is melting, the ice is melting because there is sunshine. There, our penguin is ready. You can color this penguin with oil pastels.